Thank you for being a Patreon member in the Cabbage Patch. There's a cabbage right here I'd like to share with you today, because this cabbage is not yet ready to pick. Cabbages will grow big leaves, and then they will grow the cabbage on the inside. A good friend of mine sent me a video last week, and there were leaves of cabbage, but there was no cabbage. So you just need to keep growing the cabbage for a while, and then the cabbage will form in the center. Your leaves will get big. Now this cabbage plant here is a miniature cabbage variety, and it will not produce a big, huge cabbage. And I plant the small cabbages on purpose because that's what we like. They're just a cute little cabbage. So right here we have one, and if you squeeze this cabbage, it's hard, which means it's ready to eat. And if we squeeze this cabbage, there's nothing in it. It's all just little leaves. This one, there's nothing in there. It's just a bunch of little leaves. So these ones need 2 or 3 more weeks to grow a cabbage. But this one, we could go ahead and pick this one right now because it's hard and it's full. And so it's ready to go. But see how it's just a little bit bigger than a softball? Because it's just a little miniature variety. By the way, these are called Early Jersey Wakefield. And they're just a fun little cute cabbage. They're sweet and good. Kind of like just a vegetable, you know. So it's crunchy, it's delightful. Sometimes the cabbage will bite back with some spice. This one's not doing that yet. So that's pretty good cabbage right there. We'll take that to the farmer's market with a bite in it. I don't do farmer's markets and I don't bite them very often, but I did want to taste it. The good thing about this cabbage is it's fresh. If you wait 4 or 5 days or even 3 or 4 weeks to eat this, it will be biting back with spice. And you don't want that. So pick the cabbage the day you're going to eat the cabbage. Hopefully this helps you take a bite out of a cabbage from the garden.